Welcome to the SFJ Key Charts, Signals, and Analysis. This is Morris. Well, let's take a look at SILJ, the ETF. This ETF took a hard hit in Thursday's trading action. What to expect from here is the real subject. Well, where we've come from is a magnificent rally from a low of just under 5 all the way up to 12.5. We've got a head and shoulder pattern on the right side of the chart that could suggest a move as low as under 950. Now, I have an idea on the target that I'll talk about in a moment, but I first want to just go back to the volume. Volume breakout here recently through here has been very supportive, and now we've come down on heavy volume, not quite as heavy. That would suggest to me there's a gap on the chart and the general support that I'm looking at to see the decline halt on SILJ down around $9.50. That said, we have to be prepared for the move to go as low as between these 2 points on the chart. The other thing that's been somewhat of a concern, we've highlighted these recently, is the negative divergences on the oscillators, and particular relative strength, RSI. As price had made a new high here, it was not confirmed by RSI. This gives way, and now that the decline is underway, again, volume patterns and the gap to be filled is suggesting a move at least to around $9.50 on this particular ETF. At SFJ, what we are looking for now that the market has given some broad-based areas of concern are some stocks that are outperforming. One stock is Scotty Resources. Scotty Resources has given a beautiful inverse head and shoulder formation and the breakout, and is simply holding. As a matter of fact, when shares were down as much as 10% in the SILJ ETF, Scotty Resources actually put in a gain on the day. Other shares that have held up quite well, and a stock we have been highlighting recently, is Benchmark Metals. Again, notice the inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now, it's not quite up to that neckline at this point, but the stock gives very little back, and it continues to target the 48-cent area on the chart. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.